Hi folks, this is all the fruit and I'm in the city of Gabrovo in the Balkan mountains in the center of Bulgaria. To be precise, I'm at the bridge with a statue of Racho the blacksmith, the founder of the city. Well, I mean, yeah, the statue is interesting, the river is beautiful, but that's not what I'm looking for. I'm looking for feral fruit trees. Let's see what we can find here. I was expecting the usual suspects and I found some of them. Here is a cluster of feral pear trees. I'm not sure, but this thing to the left here should be a feral apple tree. It's not impossible that's a feral pear tree. Cannot see it exactly, but I think it's a feral apple tree. Here to the right is a feral mulberry. Well, of course, also a lot of feral ailanthus. Lilac, which was probably planted around the statue, has also spread. But lilac is native on cliffs not too far away from here. Not a big problem. However, when I look down here, I noticed a small fig tree. One of those strange fig trees with very serrated leaves, which I've only seen on seedling trees in, kind of cool areas in Germany. Interesting. Where does this fig tree come from? I mean, I know, like 8 years ago I found a good size, well, this is a fig shrub, not a fig tree, of course. I found a good size fig shrub near a house, planted near a house here in Gabrovo. It seems it's surviving the winters reasonably well, not freezing back too often. Figs are actually, well, they are typical for many areas of Bulgaria, but not for the Balkan mountains. My grandfather tried to have figs here for decades, and finally the little plants died. Well, so I started looking around even more, and it gets even more interesting. Because here on this side, well, I see a couple feral sour cherries here, but look right there in the sun over the water, another feral fig tree with those strange leaves. Well, another feral fig shrub. And over there, next to the Budlaya flowers, there is quite a big fig shrub with, numerous fruits on it. The small ones with those strange leaves, look, this has the same strange leaves as the one on the other side of the bridge. They don't seem to have fruits. But this bigger one with the more typical leaves, it has a lot of fruits. Very strange. If this was upriver from the other two, I would say that the fruits are coming, that they are kind of seedlings from this one, like the small ones are second generation seedlings. But this is downriver and also a different type. This is really strange, folks. Until like 20-30 years ago, nobody expected figs here. Those areas of the Balkans, they have pretty harsh winters. We often have quite hot summers, like right now. That's why plants like the ailanthus can survive here. And the Reinutria, which is from a more oceanic area in the far east of Japan, is surviving just near the rivers. But the figs, well, I was very much impressed that there was a fig tree growing next to a house, but feral figs, I didn't expect them here. So I'll go upriver and search for the source of this, because 3 feral figs within 50 meters, there must be an explanation for that. Well, folks, I walked a couple hundred meters upriver and found nothing. I was hoping either for a big feral shrub somewhere on such cliffs or rocks along the river, or some big old cultivated fig. I didn't find anything. That doesn't mean there is none, but I couldn't locate it. So I basically left with 2 ideas. Either somebody was eating figs like me, I got them from the market, and was throwing away the rotten ones, and so the seeds started growing, or maybe even more probable, there seems to be a little creek here with slightly oily water. I guess maybe it's still connected to the rainwater drains. Yeah, the water doesn't seem very savory here. But here this creek comes out, it flows under the market, so I guess when they sweep the market, they also sweep a lot of squished fruit and stuff. Maybe that's the reason we have figs here, I don't know, I'll continue looking. For now, that's what I came up with. So folks, stay tuned for a lot more fruit videos from the fruit-rich and sometimes enigmatic Balkan mountains. And of course, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe.